This workout consists of bridges, single leg bridges, and dead bugs. For the bridges, you want to lay all the way down on your back, starting out with neutral spine, relaxing your head back, feet about hip width apart. You're going to press through the bottom of your heels and lift your hips as high as you feel comfortable. Starting position is all the way down. When you lift all the way up, that's the ending position. Doing both of those positions equals 1 rep. Remember to keep your breath up. You might find it helpful to exhale as you push through your heels and lift your hips. Find a pace that you feel comfortable with. For the single leg bridge, both feet together, lifting one leg up, keeping the heel about hip over your hips, pressing the heel down again, lifting up as high as you feel comfortable, finding a pace you feel comfortable with. Starting down is the first position, and then lifting your hips up as high as you can is the ending position. Down and up equals 1 rep. You want to make sure that you're going to do the other side. So just switching legs, lifting that leg up, heel about over the hip height, pressing through your heels, and lifting all the way up as high as you feel comfortable. And for the dead bugs, you want to bring both arms up, hands about shoulder over shoulder height, knees over the hips, keeping your legs at about 90 degrees. And you're going to extend one leg out as far as you can, keeping that leg out maybe about parallel with the floor, just pressing out. And you want to keep a little bit of tension about 2 inches below your belly button. Again, you're keeping your breath up. Exhale as you extend that leg out. Keeping your upper back flat, keeping your ribs down. Starting position, knees over the hips. Ending position when you extend that leg all the way out. Right, left equals 1 rep. Nice job. Going in for the second set or variation here, you can press your heels down for a modification to increase the intensity if you want, right? So just lifting the toes up, still pressing and lifting. It's still a bridge. For the single leg bridge, pressing the heel down, lifting the foot up. Again, a little bit more tension on the hamstrings and the glutes. Just switching it up a little bit. But you can keep both feet down if you found this to be a little bit too intense, especially if you're just starting out. And you want to make sure you're doing your right side and your left side. Pushing as strong as you feel comfortable. and setting up for the dead bugs. Again, knees start over the hips, legs at 90, reaching out as far as you can, extending that leg out. Reach, reach. Yep, hang in there. Keep your belly nice and tight. You're keeping your breath up. Breathing and pressing, breathing and pressing. And getting ready for that third round. Lifting up and down, bridging. Again, on the bridges, this time a little bit more of a pause. Again, you can have your feet down or up. Just trying to finish strong through this third round. Continue to squeeze, lifting and pressing, breathing, lifting those hips up as high as you feel comfortable. Going right into those single leg bridges. Pushing and lifting. Remembering to do both sides. You may notice that one side is a little bit stronger than the other. That's fine. That's normal. Trying to create balance here between both sides. Pushing and lifting. And then setting up for those dead bugs. Adding a little bit more intensity. You can now add an arm reach. So the opposite arm in the leg reaches out. Try to hang in there. You can do a combination of both. If you find reaching out with the arms a little bit too challenging, but try it. See if you can do it. Reaching out, continue to keep the belly nice and tight. Keep the breath up. Reaching long through the arms and long through the legs. Reach, reach.